Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate CAGR, which is called compound annual growth rate. Okay, so how to calculate this? So here I will show you a formula by which you can easily calculate. So I have year 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Okay, so now I want to calculate how much my growth rate is from 2016 to 2021, compound annual growth rate. Okay, so what you have to do here, you have to just, I want to calculate here, so what you have to do, just select the cell and then L equals to, then you have to type RRI. Okay, then here you will see NEPR. Okay, so in any PR you have to calculate the year you have invested, how many years you want to calculate the annual growth rate. So I have 5 years, 1 2 3 4 5, because at the end of 2016 here you will see the amount is 125k. Okay, so now the total year is 1 2 3 4 5. So first NPER, in NPR you have to type 5. Then here you will see previous value. Okay, in previous value you have to select this one, first amount. Okay, then comma, then here you will see FB, future value. Okay, now bracket close, and okay, so this is the my CAGR. Okay, compound annual growth rate. Okay, so like this you can also calculate. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.